Hadra ini ialah alat pembersih serbaguna mesra alam yang sudah mula digunakan oleh pihak sekolah, dan penggunaan Hadra ini telah kita perluaskan dalam kalangan guru, juga pekerja-pekerja SMK USJ 4, dan mereka setakat ini berpuas hatilah dengan kualiti produk ini, dan yang paling utama ianya mesra alam.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Puan Amira from SMK USJ 4. My students and I came up with an innovation called Hadra Eco-Friendly since 2023. It is a multi-purpose cleaning spray made of plant-based ingredients with biodegradable formula. It is also an eco-friendly natural product because we use recycled materials for our bottles. This product is designed for everyone, including sensitive skin users, which means it's very good for our daily use. It's all started with some surveys that we did before, and we encountered that there were some issues and concerns within the society that seeking for eco-friendly alternative for their cleaning products. Our findings or problem statements of these innovations are shown here. Our innovation caters the modern needs with handy size and also large size packaging options. Ready to see our specialty and uniqueness? Let's go!
Our experiment today is to prepare 10 small bottles. Firstly, we use hibiscus. Hibiscus contains saponins, which act as natural surfactants to remove dirt and grease. Saponins biodegrade easily, making them environmentally friendly. And we use hibiscus because it represents our Malaysia's national flower.
Hi, I'm Diva. Next, we use vanilla extract. We use vanilla extract because it is a natural odor neutralizer. Vanilla extract has antibacterial and microbial properties, which enhances our cleaning efficiency formula. Next, vanilla extract gives a subtle, non-irritating scent, making Hadra a better choice.
Hi, I'm Ashikil, and I will share about our next ingredient, which is Himalayan salt. The reason we use Himalayan salt because its natural abrasive texture that can help clean away grime, remove heavy dirt, while being antibacterial. Fun fact, Himalayan salt already been used for cleaning since medieval times. Not just that, it is also eco-friendly, mineral-rich, and also a powerful solution for deep cleaning.
Hi, my name is Rista, and today I will be explaining the benefit of lime in our product. Lime is a powerful natural cleaner due to their acidity and also antibacterial properties. Lime contains flavonoids, vitamin C, citric acid, and also the small amount of iron and fiber. The citric acid in lime helps with removing stains while also eliminate the odors.
So lastly, my name is Aina. We use honey that contains hydrogen peroxide through enzymatic reaction. It also enhances antibacterial properties, making it effective at killing bacteria.
And I'm Ashikin.
Together we are
Hadra!
Saya sangat berbangga dengan produk Hadra ini kerana kami telah berjaya mendapat pencapaian yang membanggakan. Pada tahun 2024, kami telah mendapat tempat ketiga di dalam pertandingan mini tiaga STEM. Manakala baru-baru ini pada 22 Februari yang lalu, kami telah berjaya memenangi tempat kedua di peringkat antarabangsa. Saya sangat yakin dengan usaha guru, murid-murid yang terlibat, juga sokongan ibu bapa, produk Hadra mampu mendunia.